Hi everyone, my name is Nick, lead developer at Accounting Add-ons, and today I'll show you how to connect ODBClink with MYOB AccountRight Live 2013 or higher. Now as you can see, we're currently in ODBClink. You'll see the Manage Data Files in the bottom left hand corner, and this allows us to add, edit, or remove data file connections. To set up our first data file, we simply need to click the button and we'll be presented with a data file setup dialog. We need to give our data file a name, in this case sample, and we need to choose the type of data file it is, and for the purpose of this exercise, of course, it's MYOB AccountRight Live. The MYOB AccountRight Live can be located in 3 different locations, either on your local library, in the server, or in the cloud. Now our data is in the cloud, so we'll choose that, and we'll click on the Browse button. Now you'll see Internet Explorer start up, and it'll go to the My MYOB account website. The reason this is done through Internet Explorer is to actually protect your My MYOB account. You actually don't pass in that information to ODBClink. Instead, you log into your account, and what MYOB does is it'll actually return a code to ODBClink to say, these are the files available, this person logged in and granted you access. As such, that access can be revoked at any time, and you actually don't pass in your details to third-party software, so your details are always safe. We'll choose a data file we want to connect, API Sandbox Demo, we'll click OK, and that step's done. Now keep in mind, the My MYOB account website login that you just saw only relates to when your data file's on the cloud. It doesn't apply when it's hosted locally or on the server, because the data's not on the cloud. You don't need to log in through there. The next step is to actually enter your username and password, and in this case, to be clear, it's the username of the data file and the password of that username for that data file. It doesn't relate to your My MYOB account. For our purposes, our username is administrator and our password is blank, so we'll leave those fields intact. The last step is to click the test button, make sure it can connect, which it can for our example. We can now click OK and close this dialog. This brings us back to the Manage Data Files dialog, and this is where you can add, edit, or remove additional data files if need be. We can close this dialog and we're done. This brings us to the end of the video showing you how to connect ODBClink with MYOB AccountRight Live. ODBClink now knows where your data is located. If you're a new user, you should check out the video that shows you how to set up a data warehouse and instruct ODBClink what data you want to pull. Well, that's it from me. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact us. I'm sure we can help. Cheers. See ya.